DemainNinja. Hey there, welcome to my DemainNinja review on the product launch at the DomainNinja.live website. In this video, we are going to dive into the main features of what you actually get with this software app and the pros and cons with this specific type of strategy. Before we dive in, just to let you know, my name is Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I earn a full-time income online with digital marketing. Been doing this from home for over 10 years now, seeing lots of these different product launches come and go. So hopefully all that experience will help you out as you research DemainNinja reviews. Also, if you want to discover my #1 system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below. Click the Web Traffic Toolkit link in the video description below. That's my #1 system, a complete done-for-you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic, and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. So with the DemainNinja software app, basically, there's two parts to it. The first part is you're doing research and you're looking for expired domains that you can purchase and launch a new website on. The second part of it is to clone content you've already got on another website that's up and running over to the new domain. So then you've got content already on your newly purchased domain name. So the first part is the domain research, looking for expired domains with backlinks, perhaps with previous high traffic and authority, and then cloning another website so you've got instant content ready to go as part of marketing that website, trying to get it ranking in the search engines. So you're basically going to be typing in keywords, looking through auctions and listings of expired domains that are going to come up to auction soon or end on auction, or going to be available to purchase, or maybe some of them will be available to purchase because they've already expired as a buy now option. And you can research this within your niche and keywords and the different search settings they've got as part of DemainNinja. So the idea is to find a website that maybe used to be run by a local business, used to have good rankings, maybe the business went out of business, and now you've got an expired domain, but it used to have good backlinks, a bit of authority with the search engines, and you can launch your own website on that same domain name. And then the second part of it is to trying to get the content. So you can use this cloning tool to clone over an existing website, and then you can edit that content as part of a drag and drop editor to change the text, change the layout and the images, basing on the clone as a starting point. My only skepticism with the cloning part of things is you don't really want to clone what the website used to look like, because you don't have copyright over the articles and the images and everything that was created. So you're going to want to create new content, but you're not going to want to clone someone else's website, because again, you're going to be copywriting their information. So unless you do a website that's already up and running on a domain that's not working very well, it hasn't got very good authority in the search engines, you could try cloning your own website on a different domain to this new domain. That may be a legitimate use of this website. Alternatively, you could build a draft version of your website on a different domain name and then copying it over when you are ready. So I'm not necessarily convinced the domain cloning and domain backlink expired research tools necessarily complement each other that well. They're kind of separate business models, because the backlink expiring search is you're looking for a domain that can rank better in the search engines for SEO purposes. Website cloning is not really for SEO, it's more cloning the exact layout and template of a sales page or a bridge page you like the look of, cloning that over, using it as an outline template but changing the text. For actually a blog with lots of content and articles, the cloning approach I'm more skeptical of, unless you're just going to have one last attempt on a failed website that's not ranking, just clone everything over that you own already to a new website with a new domain and see if that ranks better. That's the best use of DemainNinja as far as I can see, but you're not really going to be wanting to clone other people's websites because you don't want to copyright other people's content. So you just need to be aware of how you go about the cloning. But I think definitely learning more about researching expired domains could be a good new business model for newbies, and DemainNinja could help you research useful traffic domains with backlinks that you can get started with. So both some pros and cons as part of the DemainNinja product launch. Anyway, thanks a lot for checking out my review. If you want to discover my number one system to plug into right now for generating a realistic income online, then click the link below, click the web traffic toolkit link in the video description below. That's my number one system, a complete done for you system, and a really excellent way to get going, getting traffic and getting those realistic and consistent commissions coming in. So click that link in the video description below for that top recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my DemainNinja review. All the best, guys, and speak soon.